All right, Gavin here, talking about some SRS Airbag module reset service. Okay, so to those that are unaware, I use Safety Restore to get my modules reset. What this means is when a car gets into an accident, if you work with salvage cars, if your car got into an accident, your airbag's deployed, your airbag light is on, you got crash data stored. OBD scanners cannot erase crash data. They can erase soft codes. That's it. Dealers will want hundreds of dollars to get these things replaced because your module is useless at this point. But Safety Restore can reset your module. All crash data and hard codes cleared. They open up the module, connect to the chip, make it like new again, and send it back to you. The way it works, you place the order online, mail it in. Within 24 hours, they'll repair it and mail it back. They also do hardware issues, so if you got chips that are fried or some motherboard issues, things like that, it's a little more. Happens once in a while, but just keep in mind that that's a possibility. Regardless, still cheaper than buying new. So the question I get the most is, how do I remove this module? Plenty of YouTube videos, but usually it's located under the center console, in the middle, towards the passenger, under the glove box area, or under the seat. This is how it looks like, usually. Got a yellow plug. That's what identifies the module. It's different sizes. Sometimes it's a metal black enclosure. Sometimes it's a silver one. Sometimes it's a white plastic enclosure. GMs look like this. But again, usually under the center console. Sometimes under the seat. Sometimes under the passenger glove box area. There we go. There's different pictures here. Anyways, always have the battery disconnected when working with these things. You never know. I never had anything crazy happen like airbags deploying or things like that, but hey, gotta be safe. Make sure that's all disconnected. Okay. Once you have the module removed, add this to your cart. Check out. And you're done. As soon as you pay, you get a confirmation ID, mail it in, 24 hours, and Safety Restore got your module working like new again. They also do seatbelt repairs. Same thing. You work with salvage cars, you know what this is. Your seatbelt's jammed up, dual stage, triple stage, that's just the different types. If you go here, you'll see them in depth. Let's see, go down here. So single stage got one plug, dual stage 2 parts, triple stage 3 parts. Super cheap, super quick. Looks like they got pretty good rating. Safety Restore is the company to do this. I also noticed they just added cluster repairs. GM and some other vehicles here have these problems. So if you're experiencing some issues with your cluster, speedometer not working or whatever, gauges are messed up, mail it in, $118.99. Seatbelt repairs, webbing replacement. This is dog chewed seatbelts, frayed seatbelts, things like that. They do all that. And then of course custom color seatbelts. If you want Ferrari red, yellow, purple, blue, you name it, it's all here. Again, safetyrestore.com. Get your module reset, save a bunch of money, get those profits up with your salvage car. If you're a rebuilder, if this is your own vehicle, same thing. Save money, mail it in, all OEM programming. Safety Restore gets it done. Right here, OEM airbag module reset service at safetyrestore.com. All makes and models. Easy as that. All right, guys, take care.